Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to fix switch account problem on Messenger, you've come to the right place. So this problem can be really annoying, and to solve this problem you need to do a few easy steps, and this problem would be fixed. So first of all, open your Play Store or App Store, find Messenger, and here you need to make sure that it says open instead of update. If it says update, click on update and try this feature. If not, open your settings and here you need to find apps. In apps you need to find your messenger, scroll down and find storage and cache. Open it and here you need to clear your cache and after that clear your storage. Once you've done that, your messenger will unlog in. So once you've opened your messenger once again, you need to enter your login and password and this problem would be fixed. So thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.